today is the 19th of November. I still feel crap. I've got up, had some breakfast and a coffee, and now I'm coming back to bed. Just because I feel absolutely shit. And hopefully I'm going to go and meet my friend later. We're going to go for a walk so I don't infect her. She's already poorly. But we haven't seen each other for ages, so we're just going to try and get some fresh air. But I'm hoping I can feel better for that. So I'm going to have a little lay down now, in the hopes that it will make me feel well enough to go out later. So I'll see you in a bit. And what are we trying to make today, Ari?
I can't remember.
Cinnamon rolls, but instead of cinnamon, what are we going to put in them?
Biscuit spread.
Biscuit spread. Hey, I don't even know what I filmed today. It's, what time is it? 3:10 in the afternoon. Ben is at the shop getting some milk. Ben's parents just turned up, thankfully. Excuse me. They've taken the kids down the river because, oh, I just had enough today. Fox is just being so unbelievably naughty. It's just absolutely draining. So, yeah, they've took him down the river for a bit. Someone's coming to look at my car in a minute. I think we're getting pizza for dinner. Yeah, so it's just another day of just being stuck at home because of illness and lack of funds more than anything. It's ridiculous. Like, I know everyone is in the same boat at the minute, but it's just scary how skint. We have never ever been this skint before. It's so shit. I was talking to my next door neighbour this morning. We had a letter maybe 3 or 4 months ago saying it's been brought to our attention that your council tax is wrong, and it went from 120 a month to just under 200. And we think someone, when we were selling our house, we think someone that viewed it, because everyone asked about the council tax, I think they must have then dobbed us in to the council. But my neighbours is still the same as what ours used to be. So it's literally just because someone's dobbed us in that we're now down like 65 quid a month. It's just absolutely shit, isn't it? Like, blows my mind how this is 2022 and everyone is struggling. Yeah. I'm gonna go. I don't even know how I got onto that tangent. I'll speak to you later. Right, come on then, act out your thing.
I don't know what we have to.
Right.
Oh, Granddad, so he knows.
But you can't whisper.
We're not.
Right, Mika, you just do it. If Ari doesn't know what she's doing, you do it.
Ari. I don't want to do it.
You don't want to.
Mika, you can't
Granddad
whisper.
does it with me.
You can't whisper.
Why?
Because you just are incapable of whispering.
I'll do it.
Come on, act it out.
Okay, come on, Ari.
So 5 words.
Okay.
Is this the first word?
First horse.
Okay.
Pony.
Ride.
So, first word is
The.
A.
Okay,
A pony.
Second
A
word.
horse.
A walk.
A march.
a dance. A song. A pair of idiots.
No.
A pair of wallies.
Okay, now you give up that word.
Oh, yeah, next word.
Next word.
Next word.
Okay, so.
Ari. What are you doing?
I see you licking.
Robot.
March.
Driving.
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 Something driving.
Yeah.
And something driving
A robot driving a horse.
A Santa driving a sleigh.
It's not. Nothing is an animal.
Oh, Santa. Is it Santa driving a sleigh?
No.
I think we give up.
What is it?
A manager driving a tractor.
That's not how we do charades at all.
You just made up a phrase.
You just made up a phrase, yeah.
Do you watch the Addams Family?
Yeah.
Hey. It's night time. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Ben's parents have gone. We had dinner with them. They took the kids out for like 2 hours. They went for a really long walk. And then we had pizza and watched the rest of the Addams Family Values. What else? A man came to look at my car, and he might be buying my car, which is good. But I'm gonna drink this. I'm going to bed. I'm hoping that tomorrow is going to be a good day, because this is like, I think, day 5 now, and Ben's mum is a nurse, and she said 5 days feeling worse, 5 days getting better. So tomorrow I should start to feel better, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and hopefully soon there will be vlogs of actual things, not just me cooking and being ill.